In this video, we are going to see Great and Samachir Unit 1 Geolocation, Relief and Drainage Part 2. We are going to discuss about major physiographic divisions of India. Major physiographic divisions of India are divided into 5: the Northern Mountains, the Northern Plains, the Peninsular Plateau, the Coastal Plains, the Islands. The Northern Mountains are the Himalayan mountains as divided into Trans-Himalayas, Himalayas, Purvanchal range. Trans-Himalayas are about 40 km wide in the eastern and western and about 225 km wide in the central part. The Himalayas, it constitutes the core part of the Northern Mountains. It is divided into Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, Shivalik range. Purvanchal range. While we are talking about the Purvanchal range, it extends northeastern states of India. Most of these hills are located along the border of India and Myanmar, while others are inside India. The Northern Plains. The fertile plains lies to the south of the Northern Mountains. The important characteristic features of the sediment deposition in the plains are as follows: the Barber, the Terai, Bangar, Kadar, Delta. The Barber plain. This plain is made up of gravels and sediments deposited by the Himalayan rivers. The Terai tract. It is the zone of excessive dampness, thick forest and rich wildlife. The Bangar represents the upland alluvial tracts of the Great Plains of India formed by the older alluviums. The Kadar Plains, the new alluvium tracts. Delta, triangular shaped fertile land at the mouth of the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers is called Sundarban Delta. While we are talking about delta, when the river flows, when it is joined into the sea or ocean, there will be a deposited by the river. On the way of the river, it will brought down some of the alluviums and sand and minerals and everything. So that will be deposited. Only water will be get into the ocean. So this place, it will form a triangle shape that we are calling it as a delta. The next division, the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is divided into Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. The Central Highland extends between River Narmada and North Great Plains. The western part of the Central Highlands is known as Malwa Plateau. The shape of the plateau is roughly triangle, that is Deccan Plateau. The coastal plains. The coastal plains are divided Western Coastal Plains and Eastern Coastal Plains. The Western Coastal Plains, it lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It extends from Rann of Kutch in the north and Kanyakumari in the south, and its wide is 10 to 80 km. See children, this from here, this green part, that we are calling it as a Western Ghats or Western Coastal Plains. This is Western Ghats. Here we are calling it as a Western Coastal Plain. Eastern Coastal Plain. Eastern Coastal Plain, it lies between Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal and stretches along the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Next, the group of islands. India has two major group of islands, namely Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. The former group is 572 islands and are located in Bay of Bengal. The latter one is 27 islands and located in Arabian Sea. See, west of India, it is Arabian Sea. Here we can see some of the island, that is Lakshadweep Islands, that is 27 islands in that. Karavati is the administrative capital. Here it is Bay of Bengal. Here we can see some of the islands, that is 572 islands. That is that group of islands, we are calling it as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Yes, Chilin, give me some points about the video what you have learned. Yes, you have discussed in that physiographic divisions of India. Can anybody can tell what are the physiographic divisions of India? The islands is then next the coastal plains, the northern mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau. Well, I'm discussing in the same order the northern mountains, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, and the islands. How many groups of islands are belong to India? 2 groups, Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. Name the capital of Lakshadweep. Karavati. Yes, next video we will be seeing about drainage system of India. This is the part 3 in lesson 1. Thanks for watching.